Good morning all. How are you? All are fine? Well, very good. So now it is time to start our today's class. So I hope you all are prepared for this. Good. So which period is this? Today, the first period. Today that is Tuesday. On Tuesday, our first period is English period. Yes. So we study about alphabets in this class, isn't it? Okay. So before beginning our work, just tell me what is the date? Today is 21st July 2020 and today is Tuesday. Yes. So today is Tuesday and on Tuesday our first period is English period. So what we are going to do in English? We are going to learn about a new alphabet. That is alphabet M. Which alphabet is this? M. So till now we have completed lot of alphabets. Sleeping standing line alphabets. कौन से थे? L, I, H, E, F. Then after that we did slanting line alphabets like A, V, X, Y, and today we are going to do alphabet M. Okay. So first, before telling you how to write this alphabet, can you identify all these pictures I have on my board? Can you identify them? So let's start identifying these pictures. Okay. So moving towards the very first picture. What is this? It's a moon. Yes, this is moon. So moon कब आता है? When it is dark in the sky. जब night हो जाती है ना? जब night time हो जाता है, when it's time for us to go for sleep. तब कौन आता है sky में? Moon and stars. So M for moon. Yes, M for moon. So let me just write here. Moon. M for moon. Okay. So just say with me. M for moon. Now the next picture. What is this? बहुत sweet fruit होता है ये. Yes. And it is the king of fruits. फलों का राजा होता है. Yes. Tell me which fruit is this? It's a mango. Yes. This is mango. So we have lot of mangoes coming in this season. Mangoes कौन से season में आते हैं? Summer season में आते हैं. And summer season is going on. And I hope you all are enjoying these mangoes, isn't it? There are lot of varieties. बहुत सारे type के mangoes आते हैं. और पता है इन mangoes से हम लोग बहुत सारी different variations बना सकते हैं. Like mango shake, then mango ice cream, then we have jellies, we have jams, then we can eat it only as a fruit also. Lot of things we can make from this mango. Okay. So M for mango. Now I'm going to write it here. Mango. Okay. What is this now? It is something which we drink every day and it makes us healthy, fit and fine. So tell me, what is this? Milk. Yes, you drink milk every day. So milk. And milk is from M. M-I-L-K, milk. So I'm going to write here milk. Milk. Mango. Moon. Now what is this? ये आता है और हमारे हाउस की वॉल्स में होल बना के रहता है. इससे चीज बहुत अच्छा लगता है. They love to eat cheese. As you love to eat pizza ना, cheese pizza. So they also love to eat cheese. वो चीज खाते हैं, पनीर खाते हैं. So वो आते Mouse. Yes, mouse. So M for mouse. So who's this? It's a mouse. So mouse को हम क्या कहते हैं? चूहा. आपने देखे माउस? ये कभी कभी हमारे घर में भी रहते हैं और हमें पता भी नहीं चलता. And they can destroy our clothes. वो हमारे clothes में होल कर देते हैं या हमारे किचन में होते हैं तो किचन का चुपचाप खाना भी खा जाते हैं. They can do destructions also. So who is this? It's a mouse. Mouse. Now who is this? ऐसे करते हैं, कैसे करते हैं? So who is this? It's a monkey. Yes. कौन है? Monkey. We never say monkey. Monkey नहीं बोलते. We always say monkey. Okay. So it's a monkey. Monkey. Monkey कैसे करता है? ऐसे करता है monkey. Okay. So we have learned about some things that are with M. Yes. What is this? आप बता सकते हैं नाम को? What is this? M for try. आप मार्केट जाते हो and you want to purchase something. आपको चॉकलेट लेनी है या मम्मा को फ्रूट्स वेजिटेबल्स खरीदने हैं और any other grocery items. तो हम कैसे खरीदते हैं? What we need for that? हमें उसको परचेज करने के लिए क्या चाहिए होता है? What we need? We need M for money. Yes, what we need? We need money. So can you see these notes? I have something, a 100 rupee note. Then I have a 50 rupee note. Can you see this? What is this? This is M for money. This is a 20 rupee note. So M for money. So I'm going to write here M for money. And why we need this money? हमें मार्केट जाना है and we want to purchase something, कुछ भी, clothes or your school stationery items or anything. अब मार्केट से आपको कुछ भी लाना है. आप ऐसे थोड़ी बोलोगे अंकल गिव मी अ चिप्स और आप लेके आ जाओगे. No, you have to pay them. आपको उनको पैसे देने होते हैं. So what we call this? आप जाते हो ना 20 rupees लेके, अंकल give me one chocolate, give me one chips, and you give this to him. आप अंकल को देते हो. So this is what? This is money. Money. Okay? M for money. So what I want to tell you, we are learning about different things from letter M. अब ध्यान से देखिए. Now whenever we are saying these words, moon, mango, milk, money, mouse, monkey. जब हम बोल रहे हैं, which is the first sound coming? M. Moon. माँ निकल रहा है हमारे मुंह से. Then mango. Again M is coming. Then milk. Again M is coming. Then we have money. M is coming. Then we have mouse. So M is coming. And here we have monkey. So M is coming. Understood? So what is M? Monkey. M mouse. So M. And what is the sound of M? Sound of M is M. Sound of alphabet M is M. Clear all? Now, how to write this alphabet in our notebook? So, you all see here, we have 4-line pattern here. Don't we? Red line, 2 blue lines and 1 red line. This is your 4-line notebook pattern. Now, how to write alphabet M in your notebook? See, first we will draw a standing line. Understood? Then one slanting line, blue वाली line से बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा ऊपर रखना है. बट जो ये फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन है इससे नीचे, जो ये सेकंड वाली ब्लू लाइन है ना, इसको टच नहीं करना है, थोड़ा सा गैप छोड़ना है. Then from this point again we'll go up and we'll come down like this. So this is M. M for moon. Then again अब इसको हम यहाँ से start करेंगे. Like this. Come down. Go up. Come down again. This is M. M for mango. Okay. Once again I'll write it. M for money. Great. Now again. M for milk. So you all drink milk every day? Good. M for mouse. M for monkey. Understood? So let us revise about the alphabet which we have learned today. So today we have learned about alphabet M. Which alphabet we have learned about? Alphabet M. M for mango. Sorry. M for mango. M for moon. M for milk. M for money. Yes, I have shown you. So you remember this? M for money. M for mouse. M for monkey. So these are the alphabets we have learned about. These are the objects we have learned about alphabet M. Now, in your book, open your book 1, my first book of English, and in this book you have to open page number 42. So I just write here, book, page number 42. Clear all? And here you have to trace alphabet M and circle the pictures which are related to alphabet M. Now, I am going to tell you how you have to write this alphabet in your notebook. So, all of you get ready, open your English notebook and sit with your pencil, and I will tell you how you have to do this work in your notebook also. Clear? Let's see. I'm going to tell you how you have to do your work in notebook. So this is your 4-line pattern notebook. The very first thing is write today's date. And today is 21st July 2020. Clear? Now after that you have to write your homework. Because this is your homework, so you will write HW. Now today what we are going to trace? We are going to trace alphabet M. Clear? So first we are going to draw a picture. What we can draw? We can draw a mug. Clear? So mug we are going to draw. So what is a mug, class? Something in which you drink your milk in the morning. Isn't it so? So this is our mug, and we are going to write here mug. Now how to trace alphabet M? See, this is the line. Can you see a point which I have drawn here? From this point first we will draw one standing line. हमें कैसे standing line बनाएंगे? Clear? अब इसी point से जहाँ से हमने standing line start की थी, we'll make one slanting line and we'll touch this blue line. Second blue line को touch करेंगे and from there हम वापस से ऊपर red line को touch करेंगे with one more slanting line. Clear? Again one more standing line like this. Is that clear to all of you? Now see once again. First one standing line, then two slanting lines and one standing line again. Again I am telling you, standing line, two slanting lines, one standing line. So like this we are going to write our alphabet M. Is that clear to everyone? So what we have done, we have written alphabet M. M for mug. And which mug is this? The mug in which we drink our milk. So M for milk, M for mug. Clear all? So I hope you have understood about letter M, about how you have to do your work in your book as well as in your notebook. So today we have learned M. Are you practicing all your alphabets regularly? So one work which I would like to assign you is keep practicing all your alphabets which we have done till now. Clear? Like alphabet M. Not only M, we have done so many alphabets as we have revised in the beginning. L, I, H, E, F. All those alphabets which we have completed till now. From April till now. Keep revising them. Keep practicing them in your notebook by writing them regularly. Okay? So keep enjoying your learning. Stay home and stay healthy. Bye all. Love you kids. Take care.